Today I'm going to show you a geometric design that I've come up with the new C&D Shellac Luxe colors and collection. We're going to start with 2 layers of C&D Shellac Luxe Aurora, and then we're going to use a glass palette. We're also going to use Black Pool in C&D Shellac Luxe. We're going to use a striper brush. And how I load my brush is I like to load about 70% of my brush in the product in a rotating fashion, either counterclockwise or clockwise to load my brush. You want to be able to bring it to a point so it can be needle-like. And I like to start this design on the side of the nail about 2/3 and gently just let the brush work itself. Then I'm going to divide this nail into 3 portions. And to get straight lines, you want to just have the nail and load it. It's like a gas tank. When you press on the pedal, it releases the gas. It's the same thing when you press on the brush. When you press on the brush, it's going to release the product. When you lift up, the product starts flowing. If you press too hard, then you press too much gas, that means you put too much product on the nail. And then I'm just going to color in. So you're just going to use random patterns, but ensuring that your lines are very clean and straight. Now once I'm happy with my look, I'm going to go into our lamp and cure for 1 minute on the button 2S. So once it comes out of the lamp after a full cure, I'm going to top coat the nail, finish the nail with C&D Shellac Luxe top coat using the 5-point polish method. And that's going to go into our lamp and cure for 1 minute under button number 3. And use 99% IPA, wipe off the tacky layer. And I'm going to use Boheme, and I'm going to color in the areas. Now before I cure this, I'm going to make it matte with C&D Retention Plus powder, clear. And I'm going to use a pipette, pick up the product, and I'm just going to disperse it. Open up any excess, and then I'm going to cure this for a full cure in a lamp on the button 2S. Once our nail comes out of the lamp, I'm going to use 99% IPA. I'm going to wipe off any excess of the powder. And this will give us a geometric look of the matte and the shiny nail together.